Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I would be discussing about the concept of portfolio risk, portfolio return and the efficient frontier. Even in 1952, the Harry Markowitz developed this concept and believed that we could diversify our risks when we are investing in the more than one assets. Basically today we will discuss about the investment risks of the two asset case or the two security case. Okay, let's discuss these issues. We have a let's see, we are given the two security 1 and the security 2. While you are expecting the return of the 8% and the 12% respectively, while the correlation coefficient is 50.5 minus 0.5, and the combination of this portfolio, that is the proportion of investment in 1 and the 2 would be 1, that is the conditions, and you are asked to estimate the expected portfolio return and the variance of the two security portfolio, and also we would draw the efficient frontier. Now we organize these informations in this way, like ER1 is the expected return on the 1, this is the ER2 expected return on the 2 security, and this is the standard deviation which measure the total risks, and the here variance we could find, this is nothing, this is the your square of standard deviations, right? You say this is the square of standard deviation, this is the variance. Similarly, we have a standard deviation of the 2, again we need to find the standard deviation of the 2, that is the square figure, that is called, we say, variance. Now correlation coefficient which measures your relationship between the two securities, and its value lies between the +1 and the -1, we all know that. And before calculating the portfolio risks, we need to find covariance here. Now covariance, which measures the movement of the securities, how the securities returns are moving. Here the covariance is nothing, this is when you say the correlation coefficients into then standard deviation of the security 1 and the standard deviation of security 2. Okay, this is our covariance. Now let's move to the other calculations. We are expecting that in portfolio, this is the proportion of investment in the 1 and this is the proportion of investment in the 2. And let's see, you are investing in the 0% in the 1 and that is the 100% in the 2. Similarly, this is 20 and this is 80%, 40, 60, 60, 40, 80, 20, and the lastly 100 and the 0%. So it would, at first we need to find, let's see, we could find the portfolio returns, expected portfolio return. This is nothing, you say proportion of investment of this into, and take the data of your ER1, okay, plus then this is the weight plus and ER2. Here we could apply the very important function, that is the dollar functions, to fix this formula. Yes, dollar functions, since I am using this figure, expected returns for other sale also, right? Yeah, this is okay, this need to be into, and this is dollar and this is dollar, right? Then enter, yeah, this is our, when you are investing your in the like a 0% in the 1 and the 100% in the 2, it will provide you the 12% expected return. Then you just drag this, then you could find your expected return on the portfolio. Now again we need to estimate the variance. For variance we could take the reference of this equation. How could you find it? Yeah, this is the first one is the proportion of investment in the 1 square. Yeah, this figure. This is the square. Then into variance of the 1. I already found this one. Variance of the 1 is, okay, this is the variance of the 1. Then, okay, then we say this is the variance of the 1. Again we say plus, this is the weight of proportion of investment in the second security square into yes, into again variance of the 2 plus 2, we say into, this is the again proportion of investment in the 1. Again we say that is the 2, and the lastly we multiply with the variance, covariance of the R1 and R2. Again we could use the dollar function here, that is, yeah, this is the, you can use the dollar. Again here dollar we can use. Similarly this dollar function normally used to fix our value, so that no need to use the time and again for other shell. Yes, this is again we say dollar and again dollar. You could check again. This is the proportion of investment in the 1 square. This is our variance of, this is variance of 1. Similarly, proportion of investment in the second square, and this is again the variance to this. Okay, then just we entered it, right? Then that will provide our variance is the 9%. Then you simply drag it. Okay, this way you could find this, and yeah, this is the variance. Then again we could find, we need to find standard deviation of the portfolio returns. This is nothing. In Excel we can use the square root SQRT, right? Then you can select this one. Then yeah, this is our standard deviation. I would show you again, that is the square root of this one. Okay, and that is SQRT, square root function in Excel. This is, yes, okay, this is the 30%. Then again we could drag it. Okay, this way we could find our expected returns with the different combination of our portfolio in the 1 and the 2, and we could estimate the variance and the standard deviations, right? Now the very important concept of, if we could draw, that is the efficient frontier. For that regions you just go to the insert, right, and then you just click here, and next one is you could select the scatter with the smooth lines marker. Okay, I try to draw this efficient frontier here. Then yeah, you just drag it. Then just right click and select the data, and then click on the add. And remember, the efficient frontier in x-axis we need to show our standard deviation of the portfolio. Okay, then just enter it. Then in y-axis you could y-axis is the expected return on the portfolio. Just enter it. Then you can see the efficient frontier has been drawn already. Then again, okay, right? Now we need to explain our, let's see, the axis, right? Okay, yeah, this is x-axis is nothing, it is our what? It is, we say, the standard, or you say the portfolio risks, you can say portfolio risks. And in y-axis, as I explained, in y-axis we say that is the expected portfolio return. Expected portfolio return. Okay, yeah, we could just maximize our return at your graph as per the need. Okay, so that we could better explain the figure. And the chart title here you can use, that is the what? You say figure 1, that is efficient frontier. Okay, now important point is that as per Markowitz event, look at these combinations. Okay, now as an investor we try to maximize our returns at the minimum level of risk, right? For example, all the combinations of this set we say that is the efficient frontier, while below this line or efficient frontier, that would not be the efficient one. We say that is the suboptimal. Look at this one. If this is the your return is about this one, your risk is this and the return is this level. But at the same time, when you are using the out of efficient frontier, then your risk would be higher at the same level of return. Now the question is, which combination would you could prefer? That is guided by your risk taking capacity. Okay, for example, let's say if you are taking this combinations, then that will provide you your 22%. Okay, this is the 22.27 and 11 point, that is 11.20% is the expected return. Okay, this way we could draw the efficient frontier line, and this is the things that I would like to communicate all of you. I hope you like this concept of efficient frontier, portfolio risks and returns. I would like to request all of you, please do like, subscribe and share this channel, all of you, and also provide your constructive feedback. Thank you all of you. Have a great day. Thank you.